Okay guys, today I'm so excited, so excited. I got a little treat for you today. I just got a gift. It's arrived at the studio and it is the world's first 5G swivel smartphone. Yes, I got the LG Wing in the studio today and I'm gonna give you my full impressions, quick unboxing, and just my whole feel of it. I mean, it's a whole new kind of form factor. It's a swivel. I mean, we haven't seen that in a while. And then just the different ways you can use the phone. I mean, so, I'm super excited, super excited. I hope you are too. And let's get into it right after the intro. Hi everyone, this is Jason here with RedBeeLabs, and today we are going to unbox and I'm giving my first impressions of the LG Wing. All right, let's get this bad boy open. Ooh, nice. Put it to the side. All right, some LG documentation. Open it up. Get a little SIM card tool. You get information. I'm gonna put this to the side. We're definitely gonna read this. Definitely gonna read that a little later. Definitely read that later. A warranty. What is this? This is oh nice. Nice little dongle for your headphone. So no headphone jack on here, which I don't have a problem with, but some people do. That's their opinion. All right, so you get the USB-C, nice little adapter. Actually it comes in the box. Nice, very nice. Put all this to the side. And so I've been hearing a lot that it's heavy. It's not exactly as heavy as I thought it was gonna be. But who knows? Let me go ahead and pull this off. I mean, it's heavier than a normal phone, but I mean, it's not. It's like, it feels good heavy in your hand. It feels really good. So, gotta do it. I gotta do it. Oh, no, that felt nice. That feels nice. Goodness. Okay, so power it on. Ooh. It is nice. Okay. Yeah, no headphone jack. Volume rockers on this side, or volume buttons on this side, and power on this side. Huge SIM tray on this side. You get a SD card in here. You can put one in there. And there's that camera that just pops up, the little selfie camera. Nice little 3 cameras on the back. This bad boy is certainly nice, man. So I'm gonna let it set itself up and then we'll be right back. Okay, and it's all set up now. The one thing I did notice is, look at all of this just bloatware from Verizon. It's a little, oh my gosh, but whatever. The phone seems really nice. I mean, let me hit that again. Very nice. Goodness gracious, that is nice. Very, very nice. I'm gonna get into all the many features it has and everything, but my first impression is that it's just nice. It's really light. I mean, it's got a little weight to it, but people were saying before that it was gonna be so heavy and hurt your arm and everything, and I'm guessing extended use or whatever, but when you hold it like this, it's not as bad. And I mean, come on guys, that's, oh my God, that swivel. My animation is a little slower, but I got a lot of things going on in the background. It's updating and downloading apps and things like that. So there we go, it gets better. But the bloatware is that is real. But overall, I really like it. I'm gonna use it for a while, test it out, and give you my couple of days real first impression. Like real used first impression. And yeah, all right, guys, that's it. Thank you. So there it is. I mean, man, I don't know about this form factor. I mean, it's just to me, it's kind of awesome. I want to test it out on a day-to-day. Just use it as my daily driver and kind of see, just what different combinations I can come up with and different use case to have a phone that swivels. I'm so used to the candy bar style that it's going to be a little learning curve for me, but I think I'll be able to take care of it. But Thank you guys for watching, and if you found value in this video, if you could smash that like button, click the subscribe button, click that notification bell, that way you won't be able to miss out any videos that I release, and check us out on social media. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.